They just don't make units like this anymore. We're almost at 700 square feet for a 1-bedroom, and this property is less than 10 years old. Usually if you're wanting a larger size for a condo, you have to go older, like 20 or 30 years old. That is just not the case. We're less than 10 years old in Strathcona Village here. This is an Airbnb friendly unit. And what I love, not only is the size dynamics, but just over my shoulder here, you can see the new St. Paul's Hospital that's going up. This whole area is going to be gentrified. If you look at the community plan for the hospital, as well as the outbuildings, this area is going to change like crazy. I love this portion. We just sold a unit here a couple months ago, and I'm excited to bring you on this tour. So let's get started. Strathcona Village here was built in 2018, so you still have a couple years left on the home warranty, which is great. You're greeted in by this nice dark laminate. It's all painted white, so it has a nice contrast. And what I really like about this building, not only have you seen the great exterior with the cladding, but it has been built for wheelchair access. So the benefit for that, obviously, if you need wheelchair access, this is a unit for you, but you have these nice widths. So you'll see in the bathroom, it's absolutely massive, and then the corridors here are large. Right off the bat here, you'll see that your washer and dryer Blomberg appliances are tucked away in here for ease of access. And then as we move around here, you have another large portion for your storage, for your shoes, for your jackets, everything like that. It's not a small tucked away closet. This is a nice full-sized closet here. So as we move in here, this is a 1-bedroom, 1 den, almost 700 square feet, less than 10 years old, extremely rare. This is your den portion. My client here works from home, so this is a perfect home office. If you need more storage, you have the availability to build this out as well. This property also comes with 1 parking stall as well. So move in here, this is the large bathroom. This is just awesome. So as you come in here, you got the tile, you have the nice light above the bathtub and the shower. Everything is nice and clean. My clients live here. I know it looks magazine worthy, but they keep everything immaculate. When you come in here for the opens, you'll see how clean everything is. But similar to the last unit we sold, what I really like is a bunch of storage space here. Nice deep cabinets to host all your cleaning products. They have the open shelves for your towels, and look how long this space here is as well. So you have this massive bathroom here with a full-length mirror. Really nice feature to have, and the benefits of that. As we move over here towards the kitchen space, this is nice and well thought out. It's a massive space here. It really gives you a lot of light. The windows here that are corner, it has a southwest exposure, so you have a lot of natural light in this space. You have the nice gold pendant lighting, and similar to the bathroom, again, these nice deep drawers here for all of your storage needs. It has the nice double sink. I even like the nice detailing here in terms of the glass. So if you want to show off your glassware or anything else, you have the availability to do so. The appliance package here is Frigid Air. You have a Panasonic microwave. And like I said, just a ton of storage all throughout. So for a 1-bedroom condo, I mean, you're looking now, if you're looking at something newer, 500, maybe 600 square feet, you have a kitchen with way less storage. Here, you just have a ton of availability here. You also have the Electrolux fridge, and you have more than enough space to be able to put a dining table with 4 chairs. And then here, I mean, there's a lot of options what you have in this main living space here. You could put a massive sectional here. There's more than enough space. So that's what I really like about this property. It seems very, very large. It's very open concept. You can see all the nice details and the curvature. And like I said, you have access to a patio out here that has a 16-foot length. And like I said, you can see the cranes, the new St. Paul's Hospital that is going out just above my shoulder. And then just down East Hastings here, you have Strathcona Beer Company, a lot of cafes. You're really close to Railtown and Gastown, and you're not too far away from the downtown corridor as well. So as we make our way down here, just wanted to give you a little bit of access here to the patio itself. As we make our way out in the patio, you do have a decent size of outdoor space. We have the barbecue here at the end. You can put some nice patio furniture, a sitting table, anything like that. And you can see just the color of the building here with the exterior, all the cladding. It really fits in well with the theme of industry that is in this area and what this area is known for. So you have all this access. And what I like, just because you are on this corner, you do have view corridors that are protected, right? So you're not compacted in. You don't have a ton of neighbors that are staring in at you, and your sight lines are quite large. We have 8'3" ceilings here, and then where you're gonna notice some more of the size dynamics is in the primary bedroom, with these condos today, how they build them, especially if they're newer, you'll maybe get a bedroom that's this size. Some don't even have a door, they have those sliders. Here you got a full door, and you can see here for reference, this is a queen size bed. You would have no problem getting a king in here with your nightstands. Nobody wants to buy a small bedroom where you can't even get night tables beside your bed, and that's a problem that plagues the Vancouver market with availability if you're looking for newer condos. So not only can you have the space dynamics here, you have more than enough to even have build outs. This is a perfect situation here, even if you wanted more space, to have some nice flush cabinetry all the way through, so you can have some upgrades here as well. For the heating, we have baseboard electric heat throughout the unit, and then obviously, boom, all of these windows here, nice roller blinds here, but you have a bunch of natural light, and you get the exposure that's west here, so evening sun as well. So as we spin things around here and we move over to the closet, which is important as well, we have a nice large closet with racking. You know, they're making use of the space here right now, but more than enough space to be able to put all your clothing. And like I said, they have an availability if you need more storage to put in some millwork there. You have your own thermostat here in the master, which is nice, so you have some different zones as well when it comes to the property. So that is it for the property tour here. So we're going to take you upstairs now to the terrace and the amenity spaces, show you some of the views and some of the other benefits and area highlights in the area. All right, we are on the 8th floor here. So this is a communal amenity space that you can have when you live in this building, and you can see in behind me here the beautiful snow-capped mountains, and this shows you perfect proximity. So in terms of location, this is really great. You head west here, you're into downtown Vancouver in maybe 10 minutes. You know, you have Railtown, Gastown over there. And if you need to head to the North Shore, Burnaby, Highway 1, you're about 20 minutes from that. And then access to the North Shore Mountains is very, very close as well. So this is a really good location if you need to get in and out of the city. With the spaces here, you have garden plots here that you can rent. And then as we go over this way, you have a gym space that you have access to that will show you some B-roll. And then as I flip you all the way around so you can see the size of the space here, you also have this nice barbecue out here as well. So when you have friends over, you can bring them in, you can take advantage of the snow-capped mountains. And why people like to live here in Strathcona is the industry and the feel. And that's why you have the port, the old British Columbia sugar refinery. And that's why they designed this building the way that they did with the cladding. They want to make it look like cargo containers to match in line with what we have with the port here. And as we finish off the tour here, wanted to show you a little bit in terms of proximity, and we'll get some drone shots so that you are aware of it too. So as I mentioned, just over here to the west is that's where the new St. Paul's Hospital is going to be. In behind me over here, you can see some more of the infrastructure with the new Broadway and the Main Street SkyTrain line that is going. So I just want to make a point of it. The gentrification and the area change that's going to be happening in the next 5 years. You have the new SkyTrain line that's going to be completed, the new St. Paul's Hospital that's going to be completed as well. This area is already up and coming. There's another new build that's about to complete in the next couple months just to the east of us. So you want to get into an up and coming area. That's where you get the property appreciation. This is a very unique build with a 1-bedroom at just under 700 square feet. So my name is Kyle Mark, your Vancouver Realtor, broker by eXp Realty. If you have any questions, reach out in the description below. I hope to see you out at the open house.